Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable Touch ID and the passcode to the Signeasy application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, tap on the account button down below, which is the last option, and then tap on Touch ID and passcode, which is the first option. And here you can select from these security methods such as the Touch ID, so tap on the button if you want to enable it, and also the passcode. However, you need to be a pro member, so you need to upgrade the app first to use these features. As you can see, you can protect your documents and signature by adding another layer of security by enabling these security features. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.